Hello guys, namaste. Welcome back to Andrew Tricks. So this is the first official Q&A on my channel. I did it earlier, but that was on Suraj's channel. The link will be down in the description box below if you want to check that out. Coming to my channel, well, this is my first Q&A and I've got tons of questions right over here. So without wasting any further time, let's jump right into the video.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, this you crazy mother.
So starting off with the first question, that is from KD Cloudy, and he asks me what is my channel goals for 2017. So channel goals for 2017 is pretty simple: 50,000 subscribers and at least one video with 1 million views. Well, I think that is feasible and I'll be able to get it throughout the year anytime soon. The next question is from Techie Anand. He asks, what other content or series you are planning in 2017 and what new things you want to start on your channel. So the first thing would be vlog, which I have already started, and I don't know for sure, but I am planning to do a vlog of Honor event as well. It might be up on my channel if I have done it. And what other series, that would be dope tech for 2017. Like I'll be reviewing some dope techs which I find very unique. Coming to the next question from Sarthak. What do you love the best about being on YouTube or making YouTube videos? Well, the best thing which I love is definitely attending events like this about YouTube and about making videos. To think about something very unique every time you make a video. Like you cannot keep monotonous things in your videos, that might get boring. So every review has to be unique in some or the other way, which is what I feel very unique about, or I love about making the videos. So the next question is from Manohar. He asks, are you going to upgrade to 4K and what camera do you use currently? So no plans. First of all, no plans on upgrading 4K anytime soon, and I use 700D with 1855 and 50mm lens, but right now I'm shooting on 1200D on Sigma 1835, and this camera is 700D with 50mm lens. Thanks to Shashwat for this lens. So the next question is from Ryan. He asks, what do you do besides YouTube? So I'm a student as of now. I'm in TYBMS. It is called Bachelor of Management Studies, and apart from that I do nothing. I just do YouTube and my college. So the next question is from Goran. He asks, what is the worst thing about doing YouTube and why? For me, the worst thing about doing YouTube is the voiceovers, especially for me. You might know I live near the tracks and the train noise is really irritating. That is the only reason I'm doing a Q&A in Taj at 3 a.m. And thanks to all these people, I might show my vlog, and in that, thanks to all these people who are supporting me do this vlog at 3 a.m. in the morning. The next question is from Harshit Agrawal. He asks, what will be the first thing you will do when you will complete 100k subscribers? So the next question is from Suraj from Tech Devoted, and he asks, was it the hen that came out the first or the egg? Egg. No. Hen. No. Egg. No egg. No egg. Hen. Okay, wait. I don't know that. So the next question is the only guy who owns this jacket in India probably. That is Rahul Bagdai. He asks, what's the worst thing you have ever done at a tech event? So basically I had been here for ACES event and I literally slept while the event was going on. So that was the worst thing which I've ever done. Coming to the next question, that is from Adnan. He asked, how far do you think you and your channel would go? And also thoughts on YouTube about full time. So how far? Well, sky's the limit. I don't know how far I can go, but reaching 1 million has always been the goal. And also thoughts on YouTube about full time. So my exams would end in March and April, and then till December I'm planning to do YouTube full time, and if it will definitely work out well, but if it doesn't, then I'll have to do it part-time. The next question is from Darshan Modi. Is there an app which provides downloading of English TV series episodes specifically? It works smoothly. Well, I do not support piracy and I would recommend you to buy it rather than watching it on any app. But there's an awesome application called Terranium TV, which my friend Heath Nandu has already done a video about. So the link will be down in the description box below if you want to check it out. So the next question is from, well, it's not a question but it's a statement. Why you so cool?
It's the one and only D.R.E. Dr. Dre, Lil Buff.
Vikant Mithun asks, what is 11 plus 58? Why would you ask that? Oh, now I know why. The next question, well, not a question, it's a challenge kind of thing from Ashik Sheikh. He's asking me to mimic this sticker.
Tomorrow for sure.
Who is your favorite actress and what would be your reaction if you meet her? Favorite actress Priyanka Chopra, and I would So the next question is from Heath Nandu and he asks me, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Nailed it, bro.
It's the one and only D.R.E. Dr. Dre, Lil Buff.
But wait, let me answer you that.
Chuck answer. According to Quora.com, according to a Cornell publication, the answer is approximately 700 pounds.
There you go. The answer is approximately 700 pounds. The next question is from Shashwat Punjabi. He asks, when are you going to give me back my lens? Well, if you were awake right now, I would have given you the lens. Let me shoot that. So yeah, finally coming to the last question from Krunal Chandra. Your favorite YouTuber? Krunal Chandra. Like really, my favorite YouTuber, Krunal Chandra. So yeah, that's all the question I've got for this Q&A. I hope you enjoyed it and I would especially love to thank all these guys. Come on. Thanks to all these guys, 5 of them. I've linked all of their channel in the description box below. Like, you won't need to subscribe him, you might already have, but still I've linked all of them down below, so please check their channel and they have really helped me a lot doing this video. So yeah, that's pretty much. See you guys in the next one. Bye bolo sab. Bye.